Welcome back on Bob FM. It is Meshbesher Monday. I'm Neil Freeman, and today we're visiting with Mark Streed, who is a personal injury attorney over at Meshbesher. Mark, good morning.
Good morning, Neil. Thanks for having me.
Glad to have you here, and interesting topic here to talk about today because there was a time where if you were involved in a personal injury case that maybe somebody would hire somebody to physically kind of keep track of what you may or may not be doing as far as an injury claim is concerned. But there are other ways in 2015 for people to find out what you're doing.
You're right, Neil. Back in the so-called old days, if once the other side's insurance company's lawyer had you locked in explaining what you cannot do anymore because of whether it's a back injury or a leg injury, they get you locked in under oath.
Sure.
And they would hire a surveillance expert to surveil you and see if they could, catch you doing something that you said you physically can't do because of your injury. Well, that wasn't done that often because it's cost prohibitive to hire someone to do that. But now what they can do is social media. Social media can be the surveillance expert. And so what we're through learning the hard way, we really stress with our clients early on that do not use social media to talk about the crash, your injuries. Try not to post you doing any activity. Even innocent activity can sometimes be captured and be portrayed. A picture can paint and speak 1,000 words.
Sure.
So just be cognizant of that because it can really backfire on you.
Yeah, so if I say I have a bad back and I can't work because of my back injury, and I post some video of me out water skiing and having a bunch of fun, that would not be a smart move.
Or, yeah, that's exactly right. Or saying that, the most I can walk or be on my feet is, 10 or 20 minutes before my back starts killing me. And then there's a posting of you and your friends at the top of, Mount McKinley after hiking up the mountain.
Yeah.
Probably not a good idea. Yeah. Probably indicative that maybe your claim isn't as strong as you claim it to be.
Big Brother is watching.
Big Brother is watching, and that's and the other thing is sometimes people, when I give them that speech, you can just see a stricken look on their face, like, oh, I've already been posting some things,
right? And
they'll say, maybe I can just delete some things, and at that point, that can make it even worse. It's like, Tom Brady deflating footballs isn't the big thing as far as the NFL sees. It's what he did after with destroying his phone. So covering up or deleting, they can catch you. It violates a legal concept called spoliation of evidence. Highly recommended that you not do that.
All right. Well, if this situation arises for me, I have an injury, I want professional legal advice, how do I contact you, Mark?
You contact us at Meshbesher and Spence. Call any of our offices. We've got 4, or meshbesher.com.
That's our Meshbesher Monday on Bob FM.